Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Colugo bug net on the Colugo compact infant kit. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you'll get out your bug net and you'll find the big logo here. Make sure not to disconnect the big logo with the zipper. Keep it intact, okay? We'll take that big logo, thread it underneath the main canopy, and place it on top of the second reinforcement piece here, okay? So the logo will be right on top. Next, you'll find the toggles on both sides. So you'll take the toggle and you'll take the loop side and you will attach them at the plastic piece connected to the frame by the seat. Just like that. Okay, so then the top of the bug net should be secure. Once you've done the left side, go ahead and do the right side. And then straighten out the bug net. Make sure there's no gaps. And then you'll find the 4 toggles located at the bottom of the bug net. So there's 2 on the left, there's 2 on the right. What you're going to want to do is crisscross them. So first, we'll start with the top left toggle, and I'm going to connect it to the bottom right loop. I'm going to create an X underneath the seat. Next, I'm going to take the bottom left toggle and the top right loop, and I'm going to create the second part of the X underneath the seat, okay? So now what you should see is you should see the Colugo label at the bottom. It should be right at the bottom of the button, at the bottom of the infant kit, okay? So now what I'll show you is if you want to, well, you're gonna put your child in. So what you wanna do is you wanna unzip both sides. Okay, you'll put your child in. And if it's on an occasion where you want to leave the front entry open, all you have to do is roll up this panel like so. Then there is an additional loop underneath the panel, and there's a toggle right below the logo. You'll connect the 2, re-secure it to the canopy, and you're good to go. Thank you.